Hi there, you're highly welcome to this video. Our topic today is correlating conjunction. Let me begin by explaining conjunction. In English language, we have words from different word classes, and one of those word classes is conjunction. So conjunction are words used to join two or more words, phrases, clauses, or sentences together. And then we have different types of conjunctions ranging from the coordinating conjunction that joins items of equal status. Then we have the subordinating conjunction that joins a dependent clause to the main clause. Then we also have correlating conjunction. So correlating conjunction is a focus as long as this class is concerned. What do we mean by correlating conjunction? Correlating conjunction refers to a pair of conjunction used together to join two or more items of equal status. So the difference between this particular conjunction and others is that this one works in pairs. So when we say correlating conjunction, we are talking about a pair of conjunctions used together. For example, we have either or, neither nor, not only but also, rather than, both and, no sooner than, and many more. So when you use any of these correlating conjunction, you have to join items of equal status. By item of equal status, I mean that it must be either a word from the same word class with another word with another word. It must be two words from the same word class. For example, two nouns, two verbs, two adjectives, and so on. So you don't join a noun and a verb together using a correlating conjunction, but you join a noun with a noun. For instance, Samuel or Elijah, David nor Timothy. Those are two nouns joined together by the conjunction, by the correlating conjunction, either or and neither nor. Alright, so you cannot join David and it. Cannot say David or it. Cannot say either James or work. No. You use items of equal status. A noun and a noun. A verb and a verb. An adjective with an adjective. So that is how it works. Now I want to delve into the functions of each of the correlating conjunctions we are taking in this study. The first one is either or. What do we use either or to indicate? Either or indicates options to choose from. When we use either or, it means that one of the options stated is relevant or is referred to as the subject of the sentence. For instance, either David or Samuel was in school yesterday. It means only one out of the two persons was in school yesterday. So when you are given options to choose from, make use of either or as the correlating conjunction to join the two subjects. Again, neither nor is used to indicate that none of the option is referred to, as the two options joined together by the correlating conjunction neither nor. are irrelevant or are not referred to. For instance, he is neither hardworking nor brilliant. Is neither hardworking nor brilliant. It means he is none of the above mentioned. So before you make use of neither nor, you are joining two options that are not necessary. So neither nor means none of. This should be used with all amount of certainty. Again, we have both and. When we have two relevant subjects, we make use of both and. Both James and his brother attended the party. This means that the two brothers were there presently. Unlike when you say either James or his brother, that means one of them. But when you say both James and his brother were there, it means both of them were present. Right? So this is how to use both and as a correlating conjunction. Again, let me talk about the next correlating conjunction we have here, which is not only but also. Whenever you use not only at the beginning of a particular statement, it is expected that but also you follow subsequently. That is to join two items of the same status together. For instance, he was not only present at the event, but also played a very active role. So we make use of not only but also when we want to lay emphasis on the second part or the second item joined to the first one. Also, let me talk about no sooner than. This is a very confusing aspect of correlating conjunctions because so many persons make mistakes using this correlating conjunction. Whenever you have no sooner at the beginning of a statement, the conjunction that will be at the middle must be than. And we use no sooner than to indicate two things happening in close succession. For instance, no sooner had I arrived home than it started to rain. No sooner had I arrived home than it started to rain. That means that the rain started immediately I arrived home, perhaps yesterday. So the rain happened in close succession to my arrival. So no sooner had I arrived home than it started to rain. So you don't use when it started to rain. If you add that when no sooner is used, you are grammatically incorrect. So take note of the right correlating conjunctions. We have many other correlating conjunctions in English language, but for now, let me stop here to continue subsequently. Thank you for watching this video. I remain Teacher Dixon.